48 nations, some returning, some arriving for the first time. All of them bleeding, dreaming, believing this is united. Brazil steps out like thunder kissing rain. Argentina carries Maradona's ghost again. Colombia dances where the rainbow ends. Uruguay, the small giant, never bends. Bolivia prays from the roof of the world. Paraguay fights back with every flag unfurled. USA, the host who dares to dream out loud. Mexico erupts and shakes the Aztec crowd. Canada stands tall in northern winter grace. Costa Rica, small heart, enormous faith. Haiti rises from the rubble and the rain. Curacao, the debutante, who bears no shame. They didn't come for trophies. They came because they had to. Every scar upon their jerseys is a prayer they never gave up. Every nation on this field carries something that won't yield. Sweat and blood and tears and fire. Every heart climbing higher. We are not just flags and names. We are love between the flames. We are friends before we're foes. That's the truth that football shows. One world the sky. South Korea fights until the final cry. Saudi Arabia rises from the desert floor. Iran steps out the way door. Spring is from the S, the heart of Stein. Iraq rises from the ruins with pride. Qatar hosts and earns the world's own trust. Jordan, the dirt wheels driving from the dust. Uzbekistan, the Silk Road finds the field. A W-Town two-spirit wind ordeal. New Zealand's beneath her the Southern Cross. She carries every victory, every loss. One nation, one confederacy, one dream. The furthest shore, and yet she made the team. A German holds a Moroccan's hand. A Costa Rican prays beside a man from Japan. Haiti stands beside the Netherlands. Tanzania touches Uruguayan hand. Because at the final whistle, no one remembers the enemy. They only remember the friend who was standing there. This is not a game. This is humanity. Love in itself. Back to life. Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Uruguay, Bolivia, Paraguay, USA, Mexico, Canada, Costa Rica, Haiti, Curacao, England, Germany, France,